Next, convert into mixed fraction. Continue. Seventh sum. 11 into 4 divided by 7. Its answer is 44 divided by 7. So 44. 7, 6 sevens are 42. Balance 2. So mixed fraction is 7 is the divided number. Balance 2. 6 times 6 sevens are 42 plus 2 44. The next question, 20 into 4 divided by 5. 1 5s are 5, 5 4 5s are 20. So 4 into 4, 16 is the answer. The next question, 13 into 1 divided by 3. So 13 ones are 13 by 3. Now 13, 3, 4 3s are 12, balance 1. So mixed fraction is 4, 1 by 3. 4, 1 by 3 is the answer. The next question, 15 into 3 divided by 5. So 15 3s are 45 divided by 5. So 1 time, this one is 9 times. 9 by 1 equal to 9. 9 is the answer.